So basically what you see here, I'm going to try to zoom in, is I lined up exactly at the 30 centimeter mark. And then I stretch it all the way down here. Let me realign it. And then since 35 centimeters is longer than the ruler, I mark it at the starting point. And then, let me zoom out a little bit. And then I shift my ruler down the additional 5 centimeters, which will give me 35. Now you'll notice I made little markings. This is the 30 centimeter mark, and then that is the 35 centimeter mark. And then measuring up, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to make sure you're starting on your lines, and you're going to go up to the 15 centimeter mark. Now for the other one, you're going to turn, let me zoom way out, you're going to turn it, and the same thing, you're going to measure down 30 centimeters. Make sure you're going on the line at 30 and not flat with the ruler, because actually when I was kind of moving it, my belly pushed it in, and so I was off by a few centimeters. And then I double check. You should always double check your measurements. I realized I was wrong, and that's why I got my mistake right there. And then the same thing, and then you'll just move it down 5 centimeters and make a mark. Then you're going to check this corner right here, remeasure your 15 to know exactly where your corner is. At this point, I'm going to take my ruler and my marker, and I'm going to mark my outer boundaries. I'm going to put this on pause for a second and do it.